As you can see friends, I do not have any channel art in my YouTube channel as of now, so I will create a free channel art now in front of you and upload it here. I will show you how to do it. If you do not know Photoshop, don't need to worry, I will show it how to do it for free of cost. On Google you can just click on Canva. Open this first link, canva.com. I have already opened it, canva.com, and you need to log in. You can log in with your Gmail ID as well. After that you need to click here on search bar and click YouTube channel art. You will get so many templates. Whether you have gaming or technical or any other, you can select from here. There are so many templates available, and I liked this one. I liked a lot, so I will select this one. You can upload your photo as well from here. You can do all types of customization. You can see text, you can include audio, you can include videos, all sort of editing you can do from here, right? So I will make a simple one. I will just write here few stuff. You can increase the size, decrease the size according to your need. You can do all types of changes. You can change the color from here. You can select any type of uh, font size. You can do all sort of changes from here. I just want this normal one, that's it. Otherwise you can add any other themes, you can make changes from here, you can add elements from here. There are so many elements, you can add any one of them. There are so many funny elements as well. You can add frames, grids, you can do all sort of uh, things from here. There are some premium ones as well, which you can get. Free ones as well you can get from here. You can see for my technical channel there are so many logos, images, you can find so many things, but I will keep it simple only, like this only, and simply I will download it. Make sure to go for PNG because it is the best file format. You can see the size is 2560 into 1440 pixels. So download it. So downloading is done. You can see the size is 7.40 MB, but it is too high. Now I will go to my YouTube channel, and here you need to click on YouTube Studio. Herein you need to scroll down from the left pane and click on customization. Here on channel customization, click on branding. You can see this banner image. This maximum size is 6 MB, and you can see 2048 into 1152. So I will decrease the size now. Let me open it in Paint normally, and then I will decrease its size. Maximum size is only 6 MB. You can just right click over the image and edit it in your any specific editing platform. So I will prefer Paint only, because I just need to resize it, and you can see it is taking time because the file size is too much, so it is taking a little bit more time. Just click on resize, pixels, click here, and the pixel ratio is 2048, and vertical size is 1152. Click OK and save the file. Now file size is decreased to 5.3 MB, and that's absolutely fine. 5.3 is fine. Now you can upload it. Select the image. You can see it will be viewable on TV like this, on desktop like this, on TV like this, on desktop like this. Just click on done. You can see it's showing on desktop like this, on TV like this, and mobile phone like this, right? So just click on publish and you are done. Changes published. Now you can go back to your YouTube channel. You can see now it's looking good. So I think it will be a easier option for you, and you will be able to make it happen for you as well. And in case you still face any problem, just comment below and I will try to resolve your query. And in case you find this video helpful, just click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.